Welcome back everyone in this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discussing about how to take user input in Python. Of course, if we are dealing with real world problems and write some code for it, so we should take input from user. Python provides us inbuilt function to read the input from the keyboard, that is input function. So what is the syntax of input function? First of all, we have to write input and inside parenthesis we have to write prompt. Then question is arised, what is prompt? The prompt string is printed on the console and the control is given to the user to enter the value. You should print some useful information to guide the user to enter the expected value. So let's explore this concept to jump over to the PyCharm. First of all, I am going to create new Python file. So right click on Python tutorial and go to new and create new Python file. I named it to input in Python. So new Python file is created. So here we use variables to clear the concept of the input function. So let's explore how to take user input in Python. First of all, I am going to take a variable and named it name, and then we have to write input. As the PyCharm is showing, here we have to write prompt. So inside quote, I am writing enter your name and then run the program. Here you see the prompt is printed on the console, and if you click on enter your name like Adian and then press enter, the program was finished. Nothing was print because we do not print anything. So let's go and print something. So we have to print the name, print and then name, and now run the program. Again here I type Adian and then press enter, and the Adian is printed. That means the program is working. Let's take another example. Again I am going to take a variable and named it A. Here I am taking input from user and I am saying enter the first number, and I am taking a second variable that is equals to input enter the second number, and taking another variable that is equals to the sum of a plus b, and then we have to print the variable c. So let's run the program. Here the Python is asking for enter the first number. I'm gonna enter first number, that is 5. As I pressed enter, then the Python is asking for second number. I'm going to input another 5 to it. So I will press enter, and here we see 5 plus 5 is not is equals to 55. So what is the problem here? The problem is that by default input function taking input in the form of string. If you don't agree, let's check it. As in the previous video, we are discussing how to print the type of any variable. Using the previous video concept, I am going to type the print of the variable. So print type and then A. And now let's run the program. I'm going to enter first number, second number, and here you see the type of the variable A is str, that is string, and the B is string. So here we know input function is taking by default input, that is string. So how we can solve this problem? As the term is introduced, typecasting. We have to typecast all the variables in the integer format. For typecasting, we have to write int and then parenthesis. And now run the program and giving input to it, and now the value is coming, that is 10. That's it for today. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel, like the video, and we will be meeting in the next lecture.